Hello dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to arrange a dialogue session. In this session, two students will join us. There is a conversation between a doctor and a patient about physical exercise. I am inviting two students, Ikra and Aisha. Let's start the discussion.
Good evening, doctor. Will some time for me? Of course. What is your problem? My exam is near at hand. I am not work hard because I am suffering from many difficult problems. What are they? I am suffering from indigestion and weakness. Do you keep late hours at night and do you have any tension? I study at more night and more night and I am also anxious of my examination. Please lie down on the bed. I will check you all through. Yes. Please check me all. I'm really frustrated. Don't worry, you are quite okay. Take rest for 7 days. Don't keep late hours at night and take regular exercise. You will be okay. Moreover, take medicine as per written in the prescription. Thank you, doctor. You're most welcome.